여러분들도 건강하게 우리 앞으로도 계속해서 만납시다. 아무튼 오늘 너무 수고 많았고 감사합니다.
We still have a long way to go. The U.S. start has just begun, and let's make sure that you're healthy and that we are healthy. We're going to continue to see each other. So thank you so much, everyone.
Yeah. Tempa, did you have fun today? Really? 일단 저는 여기가 1등이라고 생각합니다.
First of all, I think this place is number one, the first place.
진짜 저희가 무대 위에서 보면은요 그렇게 아미분들이 따라 불러주시고 하는 것도 너무 기분 좋고 설레는데 아미분들의 그 진심이 나오는 그런 약간 춤이나 그런 표정들이 오늘 너무 잘 보였어가지고 저 오늘 너무 행복한 것 같아요.
First of all, for real, when we're on the stage and we're looking at you guys, it makes me so happy and so energetic when I see the army singing. But when we see you dancing and singing along from your heart, that's what we really love to see, and we can see it so well. So today, I am very, very happy.
일단은 저희가 템파에서 아직 첫 번째 콘서트니까요. 남은 2일 동안 아미 덕분에 템파에 계신 아미 덕분에 행복하다 가겠습니다.
This is our first concert in Tampa. We have 2 more days, and thanks to Tampa Army, we're going to leave very, very happy.
그리고 잘하면 다음에 또 봐요.
And if we're lucky, maybe we'll see each other again next time.
Thank you.
During the sound check before, I saw a lot of people who came with their boyfriends and their fathers and their families tonight. And those might have been quite embarrassed because none of these songs that you haven't listened to. But now, here's your time. Everybody knows this song. The next one spent nearly 10 straight weeks at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100.
Get it!
I bet some of y'all been waiting to hear that. So,
Okay, you ready?
What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
상남자, 상남자,
어, 3년 전에 디네이 투어 할 때 우리 이제 7명이랑 다 같이 돌아온다고 했는데 그게 현실이 됐네요.
Years ago on our tour, we said all 7 of us will come back, and that has come true.
정말 오늘 한 6만 5천 명 되는 이 템파에서 공연 정말 잊지 못할 것 같습니다. 여러분들 너무 열정적이고 또 우리 참 너무 즐겁게 저희도 놀다 가는 것 같습니다.
I don't think I can ever forget this Tampa concert with 65K attendance. You guys were absolutely passionate tonight.
여러분들 아직 갈 길이 멀습니다. 아직 갈 길이 멀고 이제 미주 투어 시작이니까 여러분들 저희도 건강하게 여러분들도 건강하게 우리 앞으로도 계속해서 만납시다. 아무튼 오늘 너무 수고 많았고 감사합니다.
We still have a long way to go. The US tour has just begun, and let's make sure that you're healthy and that we are healthy. We're going to continue to see each other. So thank you so much, everyone.
원래 나나나 한번 해야 되는 거 아니에요? 이제? 이거 음악이 너무